Hi, it's another political cover-up. This is when I get fed up with the politics on social media, and so I turn it off and head to practice. I haven't posted for a couple weeks with this stuff because my voice just has not been there. So it's finally coming back. And so I'd like to go back and hit on something that I really feel strongly about. I was really affected by Justice Ginsburg's death and the political nonsense that arrived from that, and the inability for us to focus on the life of an amazing person. And so when I was thinking about that and starting to play music, I really connected with this song. And so I'd like to play this in tribute to Justice Ginsburg. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to arrive. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly into the light of a dark black night. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to arise. Blackbird fly.